Welcome. We are continuing with our initiation for visit to the overview of Vedic mathematical domain of Ganita Sutras with Ganita Sutra 1 as the source of Sutra. Our urge is to learn and teach Ganita Sutras for enlightenment. For it, we have been through tables 1 to 51. Today, in continuity, we will be visiting tables 52-59 as 8 tables of different features and values of the PCV values curve of first formulation Ekadikena. Formulation Ekadikena is a composition of 9 letters. These 9 letters lead to TCV values range. This TC values range of 9 letters of first formulation Ekadikena as such depicts leads to TC values curve. We shall sit comfortably and to permit the transcending mind to the twofold system streams flow from creators of space as of values 12 and 21, making the organization as 12, 18, and 21 parallel to the formulations triple Shiv, Ishwar, and Shivalya. See, we have been visiting the text of formulation Ekadikena. This formulation is a composition of 9 letters. These 9 letters lead to TC values range 6, 4, 2, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 1. Let us visit table 52. This table is depicting TC value curve of Ekadikena. The fourth letter is a placement being shown in a circle. Value of the fourth letter is 7. However, we had seen in the previous tables features that this fourth letter as such is of placement of creators of space. Being a creators of space, it is fourth space, it is of value 4. However, we have seen that TC value of this letter is 7. We know that 4 space manifests hypercube of 4 as its representative body. Hypercube of 4 is enveloped within a solid boundary. Solid boundary as of 3 space content lump manifesting as hypercube 3 is of 7 versions parallel to these geometries of 3 space. 7 geometries of 3 space are having their respective representative regular bodies being 7 versions of hypercube. So the value 7. The value 7 and value 4 as such are interrelated in this format background. Now see, we are having 2 streams flow from the creator's space, fourth space, the seed of fourth letter. On one end is a stream of values 2, 4, and 6, making summation value 12. On the other end, there is a flow of values 2, 4, 6, 8, and 1, making summation value 21. Now, value 12 is parallel to the TC value of formulation Shiv, and value 21 is parallel to the TC value of formulation Shivalya. As such, we from creators of space with its transcendental origin 5 space as origin of a 4 space. From this origin seat, there is a twofold flow. The first stream is of values 2, 4, and 6 of summation value 12, which is parallel to the TC value of formulation Shiv, the transcendental Lord, the overlord of 5 space. On the other end, the TC values stream is 5 steps 2, 4, 6, 8, and 1 of summation value 21, which is parallel with the TC value of formulation Shivalya. As such, from creator's space at its transcendental origin, there is a seat of a transcendental Lord, Lord Shiv. And this seat, as such, is a Shivalya, the home of the transcendental Lord. The transcendental Lord and the transcendental domain as Shivalya is the foundation of this TC values curve of Ekadikena. The seat of the creators with transcendental origin, 5 space as origin, and hypercube 5 is the representative regular body of 5 space, and hypercube 5 is a fourfold manifestation layer 3, 4, 5, 6 of summation value 18. The value 18 is parallel to the TC value of formulation Ishwar. Therefore, the sadhakas fulfilled with intensity effort to be parallel with the organization format of Vedic Ganita Sutras. Ganita Sutra 1 as its source sutra shall permit the transcending mind to glimpse this transcendental foundation as Shiv, as Ishwar, and as Shivalya. Therefore, the mathematical processes, mathematical reach of Ganita Sutras, with Ganita Sutra 1 as a source sutra, is of such transcendental range. It is this foundation which will help us have a blissful chase of this domain being of the order and features of creator's space with the transcendental origin, and at the seat of the transcendental origin there is a twofold flow as Shiv and Shivalya. Therefore, the sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with this organization shall sit comfortably and to permit the transcending mind to fully absorb these features. It is with the absorption of these features that one shall be having mental state as a intelligence field created by the human mind along the consciousness base. Therefore, once one is parallel with this transcendental foundation, one will be blissfully parallel with the Vedic mathematical domain and its processes. Table 53 is taking us a step ahead, as that the ninth letter, first vowel, is having TC value 1. The total TC values, summation value of all the TC values of all the 9 letters is 40. This organization as such takes us to 39 plus 1. 39 plus 1 is the organization which deserves to be absorbed fully, as Yajurved Sahita is a scripture of 40 chapters. Last chapter is Isha Upanishad. 39 chapters make this Samhita, and the last chapter of this Samhita makes an Upanishad. Therefore, this curve, the format of this curve, the organization format features of this curve is as a end reach, bringing us face to face with the organization format of Yajurveda. Eventually, if we will be diving along this curve within this domain for reach at the creators of space, then value at the first step of the of the last letter is 1, and the value of the last two letters is 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Therefore, it will be bringing us to the organization of 40 is equal to 9 plus 31. The value 9 as 1 plus 3 plus 5 is the sequential dimensional frame format for transcendence within the transcendental domain. And value 31 is parallel to the synthesis value of a pair of transcendence ranges of linear order. Therefore, this stage as such is bringing us face to face with the mathematical domain, which is taking us within the transcendental domain, which itself is within a creator's space. Like this, we have to sequentially proceed further. We will see that the last three letters of TC value 1, 8, and 6 are of summation value 15. Therefore, the organization for 40 as 15 plus 25 takes us parallel to 15 as TC value of Ram and 25 as TC value of Vishnu. Therefore, in a Treta Yuga, Lord Vishnu incarnation as Rama is the reach of this format. A step ahead, the last four letters as of values 1, 8, 6, and 4 of summation value 19 takes to the organization of 40 as 19 plus 21. One may have a pause here and take note that value 19 is the TC value of formulation Krish, incarnation of Lord Vishnu in a Dwapar Yuga. Value 21 is the value of a Shivalya. Value 21 is the value of 1 to 6 as format of a Sthapatya mirroring rod. Further, it is this feature which will also bring us face to face with how the Lord Vishnu, having incarnation in Treta Yuga as a Rama and in Dwapar Yuga as Krishna, is the integrated expression format of our existence phenomenon. It is this phenomenon which is being formatted by the Vedic mathematical domain. And it is because of this formatting of the Vedic mathematics which makes it a universal mathematics. Sadhakas shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to continue this chase from the last letter to the last two letters to the last three letters to the last four letters and last five letters and so on. And also likewise, chase is to be from the other limb, the first letter, the first two letters, first three letters, first four letters, and so on. It is this twofold inward progression with the reach at the creator's space will bring to a situation that the real chase is to begin within creator's space. Therefore, the sadhakas shall sit comfortably and continue this chase. It is this chase which in table 54 is taking us first letter as value 6. So 40 is equal to 6 plus 34, and value 6 is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 as fourfold manifestation layer of hypercube 2. Value 34 is 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, fourfold manifestation layer of hypercube 9. As such, the organization for first letter value 6, making 40 as 6 plus 34, is of the format of hypercube 2, hypercube 9. One shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to be parallel with Dive Ganga Pravaha from the orb, the Bindu Sarovar of soul syllable Om. It is this value 9 of the Bindu Sarovar and value 2 Ardhamatra of the second component of soul syllable. So this format, this chase from the first limb as value 6 of the first letter at this initiation stage itself is taking us to the Jyoti flow from orb of the sun through Bindu Sarovar of soul syllable. 6 is the value as Surya Ank. The soul syllable Om with Bindu Sarovar as placement at the orb of the sun. 6 space as dimension will take to 9 space as origin. So Bindu Sarovar as orb of the sun, as origin of Asht Prakriti, will be giving a flow of coordination of hypercube 9 and hypercube 2. A step ahead, the first two letters as of value 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 will give the organization for 40 as 10 plus 30. Value 10 as organization 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 parallel to fourfold manifestation layer of hypercube 3, while value 30 is as organization 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 hypercube 8. Therefore, at the first stage, organization format emerged was hypercube 2 and hypercube 9. However, at the next step, the value 10 and 30 has taken to geometric format of hypercube 3 and hypercube 8. See, Ganita Sutra 1 is of mathematical rule 1 more than before. At the first step, the organization comes to be hypercube 2 and hypercube 9. Now see, at the next step, the 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 and 10 plus 30 is 40. So hypercube 3 and hypercube 8. Now from hypercube 2, we are reaching at hypercube 3. However, from hypercube 9, we are reaching at hypercube 8. It is this twofold coordinated processing which is the unique reach of Vedic mathematics, particularly of Ganita Sutra 1 and especially of the first formulation Ekadike, and the same deserves to be absorbed fully. One shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to be parallel with this organization format features of the TC values curve of 9 TC values of 9 letters of formulation Ekadike. A step ahead, the value will be 12 and 28, or 12 is the value of Shiv, 28 is the value of Brahm, Shiv, Brahm. Value 12 is the TC value of Yog, it becomes a Brahm Yog. It is this reach of this transcendence format which deserves to be sequentially absorbed. One shall be parallel with this phenomenon, and simultaneously, when at next step, when the four letters are to be taken up simultaneously, and as the seat of the fourth letter is creator's space giving value 4, therefore the summation value of the first four letters will come to be 16. And likewise, as four space is a spatial order space, so the value from fourth to the ninth letter together will be 25. One may have a pause here and take note that 16 is the TC value of formulation Jeev and 25 is the TC value of the formulation Vishnu. How Jeev and Vishnu are complementary and supplementary of our existence phenomenon is the feature which deserves to be absorbed fully. One shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to continue this chase. So the chase from both limbs and reach within creators the space with the transcendental origin, and there being compactification of origins. So the entire unfolding process of our existence phenomenon is inherently inbuilt in this format of Ganita Sutras. Vedic mathematics of the Ganita Sutras are formatted to unfold themselves parallel with the unfolding process of our solar universe. One shall sequentially continue, and the table 56 and table 57 are helping us to have a comprehensive view of this threefold case inherent in this format. One is from the first limb, starting with the first letter, going sequentially, and other is from the other end, from the last letter, going inward, and third is the transcendence within creators of space at the transcendental origin seat. One shall sit comfortably, one shall permit the transcending mind to have comprehensive view of this threefold formatted processing along the same format. One shall sit comfortably and to permit the transcending mind to be parallel with the split of TCV value curve of value 40 as 21 plus 19, 25 plus 15, and so on. This sequential reach from both ends of single, double, triple, quadruple, penta, hexa, hepta octa, and nana letters values along the tissue value curve of Ekadikena provides different features of mathematical domain of Ganita Sutra 1 itself. One shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to be parallel with these threefold processing steps. And finally, when we are at table 58 and table 59, our focus is to remain upon the seat of the fourth letter, that is, at the creator space format, and the happening within creator space format of fourth letter at transcendental origin seat is the phenomenon which leads to synthesis of a pair of cues with structural components 27 and 18 and resultant saguna and nirguna having simultaneous existence. It is this comprehension, it is this insight, this enlightenment which will further help us to have a smooth transition from the format of first formulation Ekadikina to the next second formulation Purvena, and it is with it there will be a complete formatting of the Source Sutra. We shall be continuing from this phase and stage of transition from Ekadikena to Purvena. Thank you very much.